हरि ओम सर्वेभ्यः. Simple Sanskritam by Surya Kumari. Today we shall see the vocabulary. These are in feminine gender. Sita, Geeta, Lalita, these are the common names for girls or ladies. But there are some things also in Strilingam. Even for things, Linga Bhedam is there in Sanskritam. So we shall see the words which are in Strilingam. Sthalika. Sthalika means plate. Sthalika, plate. Churika, knife, which we use for cutting the vegetables. Petika, box. Yana petika, suitcase. Petika is used for small box or big box. For anything, petika is common. Petika, box. Varta patrika. Varta patrika, newspaper. Pathashala, school. Agni petika, matchbox. Agni shalaka, match stick. Shalaka, stick. Utpetika, table. Utpetika, table. Kapatika. Kapatika is almara in which we keep our books or our clothes. That is called, that almara is called kapatika. Mapika. Mapika is scale. Mala. Mala means garland. Pushpamala, flower garland. Panchalika. Panchalika means a toy played by the girls. Panchalika is doll. Panchalika, doll. And Dvichakrika, two-wheeler. Trichakrika, three-wheeler. Javanika, curtain. Nidhanika. Nidhanika, showcase. Gayika, singer. Female singer. Gayika. Nasika, nose. Nauka, ship. Guha, cave. Chaya, shade. Padaraksha, slipper, slippers. Padaraksha, for slippers. Rangoli. Rangoli means the design which we draw in front of the house. In Hindu culture, there is a tradition. We have to put rangoli in front of the house. And then dola. Dola means swing. Sayya. Sayya means mattress. Sayya. Then these are all the words in akarantam. Sayya, churika, balika. All these are the verbs, the words in akarantam. That means dirgham is there. Now, ekaram also female things or anything or any words. Nadi, for nadi means river. Lekhani, pen. Ankani, pencil. Varnalekhani, color pencil. Varnalekhani, color pencil. Marjani, duster. Patra Suchi. Suchi means needle. Patra Suchi, for we pin the papers. Vastra Suchi, safety pin. Ghati, watch. Gulika, tablet. And then Eeli. Eeli means that is also a knife with a board. The knife is arranged on a board, that is called Eeli. Kartari, scissors. Koopi, bottle. Jalakupi, water bottle. Teila Koopi, oil bottle. Then Nalika, tap. Avakarika, dustbin. Chalani. Chalani is we use for sieving the powders in the kitchen. That is called chalani. Then velani. Velani means which we make chapati. The stick with which we make chapati. That is velani. Velani peetham. That is board. This one which we make chapatis on the board, that is called, that board is called velani peetham. Then surpaha. Surpaha means chata we say in Telugu. Surpaha, with we'll clean the rice and dal and all, we clean it with the surpaha. Surpaha is in Pullingam. Sorry, I said in Strilingam. Then velani peetham, rolling board. That board is called velani peetham. And droni. Droni, bucket. Sammarjani. Sammarjani means broomstick. Sammarjani. Vidyardhini, female student. Vidyardhini. Vidyardhi is in masculine gender, Pullingam. Vidyardhini is in feminine gender. These are the words for today. And how to remember so many words? I am telling you many words. Some words you may be knowing already, because if you learn once, you can remember easily. But some of the words are not very frequently used in in local languages. Only in Sanskritam these words are there. So how to remember? You please write the words which you don't know on a paper with big letters and place them on the dining table or on the cupboard. You please stick on the cupboard, so that whenever you go that way or this way, you can read the word and you can remember it. If you write once, it is equal to 10 times reading. So it is very important to write. Writing is very important. So you please write down on a paper and just stick them on the cupboard. Then while coming this way or that way, you can read the word, remember them. And also that is helpful for others also. Suppose anybody comes to your house or even your family members, if they see it, they will also just have a glance on it and then they will also learn. So it's good idea to have this. So please do like this and then learn well. I am giving you many words because we have to learn quickly. So many people say we know so many languages, 5 languages we know 14 languages also some people know. So we also want to know, we want to learn quickly. So I am telling you many words. So please learn them quickly. Daily spend 1 hour. Daily spend 1 hour any leisure time and then sit with that. Learn them thoroughly. Okay? I'll stop now. Aham samapayami. Punarmilamah. Jayatu Bharatam. Jayatu Samskritam.